Designed for the MOS packs, the MOS Reach C is the perfect accessory to increase the utility of your MOS pack even further. Designed to fit perfectly into the power bank pocket next to your laptop. PD USB-C fast charging, USB-C output. The 9th of May 12, 15/20 of a volt, 3A, power delivery. PD 2.0, USB-A output, 5V 2.4A. Charge all your devices at once. The Reach C extends from one power outlet to 3 USB-A ports and one USB-C 60W PD 2.0 port. Cable length, 4 feet. Top reviews from the United States. Perfect with the MOS Pack Grande. Works great with the MOS Pack Grande, fits perfectly in the spaces and charges everything I need. Doesn't come with a standard outlet slot like the original Reach, so you may not be able to charge your laptop if it doesn't support USB-C charging. Great for traveling. Great product if you know how to use it and buy the Mospack with it. Used it to charge my phone, laptop, and spare battery pack whenever I sat down somewhere while traveling.